Kia ora YouTube whānau, my name's Rick and this is Rick the Maker. So last time I was at a market I found this chisel. It's a pretty good little chisel. Looks as though I can get quite a bit of life out of it. Doesn't look as though the last person who sharpened it knew what they were doing because there's quite a big round on it. It would be easy enough to sharpen up, but obviously it's missing a handle. So I'm just going to make a handle here on the lathe. Shouldn't be too hard. I've just got to find a nice piece of wood and get it going. Probably drill a hole in the end of it first just to make it so that I can chuck this in. It's a bit easier to drill the hole before you get your general shape on the lathe. Easier to do it as it's a block. So cool, let's get into it. Yeah, I did also want to say sorry you guys, it's been so long since I've put a video out. My family and I actually moved to a different city. So there's been a lot of that going on, starting a new job, getting everything sorted out. I am going to be having probably some more videos coming up very shortly. I'm going to be starting to pick them up again because finally got the garage to a point where I can start doing more videos for you guys. I have some carving videos coming up shortly as well. I've seen you guys are enjoying the carving videos, so I'll get some more of those out for you guys. So here I'm just going to make a piece that will actually stick into the hole that the chisel sits into. It's just to make it a bit easier for me to shape the end of the chisel, or end of the handle I should say, just so it's a bit easier to hold it in the actual lathe, and I've got a bit more area to get to the tip without having to worry about butting into anything. So this here is just a raw linseed oil and beeswax mix that I make myself. It's pretty good. It's, for one thing, it's food safe, and I do have to reapply it once every couple of months, 2-3 months, but I prefer doing it this way. At least I know exactly what's going into it. It's really good for cutting boards and all that kind of stuff too, so yeah, it comes up with quite a nice little sheen on everything as well. So awesome, that's us all done. It's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like. It definitely helps with the YouTube algorithm. And I'm going to be having more videos coming out in the future, so please subscribe. It just lets me know that you guys are enjoying my content. Cool.